Hello and welcome back, and let's go ahead and fix another widget that is broken now because of the recent update for Xcode beta. And once again, we are using Xcode 12 beta 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix a few things. There are a few more things that have been introduced and some things have been removed. For example, for the static configuration, the placeholder has been removed. So let's go ahead and remove that. And I'm gonna build again to see more more issues that have been introduced. So let's go ahead and see. So the timeline provider actually needs another entry. So let's go ahead and jump to definition to basically see what it needs. So if you notice, it has a new type alias. Well, I think it needs a placeholder. So let me go back and let's go ahead and fix this. Okay, so yeah, so it's basically the placeholder that it needs. So what we can do is we can first move our entry to the top, and now placeholder can become whatever you have in the snapshot. So snapshot is changed to get snapshot, and I'm going to use the same value for the placeholder as well and return the entry right there. Okay, and for the timeline, I'm gonna simply take the timeline that we had and move it into get timeline and remove everything else. Okay, now let's go ahead and build again, and hopefully we should get everything working. So I'm just going through files because in my experience I've found that to be, like, one thing that has helped finding the bugs quicker, especially with these beta Xcode releases, where if you open a file, it actually opens up it actually shows you the error rather quickly. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, there we go. So we have weather loading now, and if you add a new widget, so let's go ahead and add a medium size widget. As you can see, the placeholder is taking effect automatically according to the content, and then when the content is available, it actually shows the update. All right, so that is the fix for all the issues that you've been facing with newly released API with beta 6. All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.